वेलकम टू वेल्स क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक यूट्यूब कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. सो टुडे आय एम गोइंग टू शो यू दिस इज गोवन पेडये and in English it is Hilsa fish. Okay, so I'm going to show you all how to make mustard curry out of this. So you get bigger size also Hilsa, that is pedye in Goan language. So I will show you all how to make mustard curry, mustard seeds curry of this Hilsa fish. So it's like very simple and easy, and how we have to cut this. So in Goa you get it like for 200 rupees a big vata. Okay, so you have to remove the scales, lot of scales, and this is a thorny fish. It is not like everybody relishes this. In Bangladesh and all, Orissa and all, this is their favorite fish, Hilsa. And in Goa it's like pedye. So we also in Goa we like this, and it comes here in Goa a season time. So remove all the scales of this. Lot of scales this has got. Take out all the scales. And then you cut all the sides. After that you have to wash it nicely. Okay, take out everything. And then I want a small piece. You can keep full piece also of this. So we'll cut this way. Okay, so clean like this only. So I'm going to use for my recipe around 5 Hilsa, that is 5 pedye. Okay, so now this is nicely cleaned. So head piece I will fry in it. I have taken only the middle and the tail and all that thing. We'll apply a little bit of salt to this. Little bit of salt to the fish. Now to grind, what we need is 2 tablespoons of fresh grated coconut. This is 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard seeds, and half teaspoon I have taken black mustard seeds. Then here is 1 teaspoon of cumin seed and 2 tablespoon of poppy seeds, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. So we have to grind this to a fine paste. Then you need any vessels where you are going to steam your fish, and mustard oil to drizzle it on top. So let's grind this to a fine paste. While grinding, I will be adding one small ball of tamarind, so it gives little bit of sourness to our curry, steam curry. Okay. Then while grinding masala, we add our salt also to this. So half teaspoon of salt to this. We will grind to a fine paste, adding water. So I have kept my water to get boiled. You can do it in pressure cooker also. So 10 minutes we have to cook this. So I will put some masala down. And we will place our fish on this. And we will add our other remaining masala. Apply for all the fish. So, and steam this fish for 10 minutes and it's done. We'll take this water only. So I'll add this water. Don't want to waste it. Then we'll drizzle some mustard oil. So around 1 teaspoon of mustard oil will drizzle in this. 1 teaspoon, okay, I'm just adding in this. Now we'll cover this. Nicely. Water is hot. Medium heat, and let it be there for 10 minutes. Here is our fish ready. It's hot. So take it a small piece. The fish is cooked nicely with a steamed. Try and enjoy this recipe. Easy, quick, delicious. Here, the fish is cooked. Try this recipe and do let me know if you have tried this my style. Hilsa fish, that is our Pedvyache, Goan Pedvyache, and in Goa it is like for 200 you get around 10 medium sizes, but other places, whoa, it is expensive. But Goa is always famous for fish. Try and enjoy this. Hope you will all love this fish and make it and enjoy. Thank you.
So here it is, finally ready, yummy and tasty. Hilsa fish, or it's called Goan Pedvyache fish. Yummy, try it at home. Thank you.